I, Dr. Barchok Kibnela Hilary,
only in the first year. This will be an annual program. And with my inauguration today, allow me to register my personal tribute and a big thank you to our departed governor for having picked on me out of so many potential candidates to be her running mate. The governor had a vision to transform Bomet into an economic powerhouse in the South Rift region and beyond, through the adoption of sound economic policies as guided by the 7-pillar manifesto. I take as my responsibility a commitment to ensuring that the values and principles that Dr. Joyce Laboso stood for and instilled in us will be reflected in my leadership.